Hello. I'm Skeleton. Today, I'm going to bring the fireworks to school. But first, I got to get them out of the clothes.
When Skeleton got fireworks them out of the clothes.
Okay, I got the fireworks. Now let's go to the school.
When Skeleton goes to the school.
Oh my god, ha 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 ha, soy 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 soy, roll on floor laughing, 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 roll on floor laughing.
What's so funny, Microsoft Sam? What the, Skeleton? Why did you bring fireworks to school?
I agree with you, Jacob Harvey. And Skeleton, you're not allowed to bring fireworks to school because this is freaking dangerous.
Stay still, everyone. Independence Day is coming up. Let's see what fireworks I should choose. I'm gonna do the Blazing Rebel.
Oh no. Skeleton is going to do Blazing Rebel fireworks at us.
Skeleton, don't you freaking dare ignite that firework.
Prepare to die, all of you.
Oh no. We must get out of here before the firework blasts off.
I agree with you, Sky Dinosaur. Let's get out of here.
Hey, what's going on here?
I just brought fireworks to school.
Skeleton, how freaking dare you bring fireworks to freaking school? That's IT. Come with me to the principal's office. Skeleton, tell the principal again what you did it.
I brought fireworks to school and blasted them out. Oh my god. Skeleton. How freaking dare you bring fireworks to school? You know bringing fireworks to school can get you into huge trouble. That's so freaking IT. I'm calling Earth to pick you up right freaking now. Washington. Hey. Hello. Is this Earth speaking? Your daughter Skeleton is bringing fireworks to school. Can you come to this school? Okay, bye.
Skeleton, let's go home right freaking now. JRA. Skeleton, you are grounded for 673 million months. Go to your room right freaking now. Washington.
Wah. Who dare give me a step? Wah.